Hey everybody, and welcome to day 14.2 of the New England Farmhouse renovation. Yes, it's 14.2 because I was unable to get that original footage that got corrupted on the sim chip. So, the only thing that we have done since we originally put up the drywall there is I've foamed all of the seams and I've blended it into the old drywall. So that's it. This is what it looks like, and you can see this foyer really starting to come together nicely. It's about 15 feet to the top of the ceiling up there, which unfortunately the drywall hoist that we got only went up to 14 feet. So what saved us in this whole process was having this double-decker scaffolding rack here. So I had an original Husky scaffolding, and then we just went out and we picked up another one, and it fit right on top, so we were able to get up there with two guys and then just load this up with all the drywall. So we've got a little bit more left we do have to do. As you can see, this wall here, this needs a little bit more scaffolding just to build it out so that we can get a nice square corner and blend it into the ceiling here in the dining room. So that's going to look absolutely lovely once it's all said and done. And then up on the top there, we've got a frame in the closet, and then we've got a frame in the bathroom door, and we've got a frame in the chimney, and then everything after that gets drywalled again. So hopefully that's something we're going to be able to tackle on day number 16. That's right. We're going a little bit forward and backwards in time here. So day number 16 is the next one. If you didn't catch day number 15, that's when we put the first scratch coat here of joint compound on the ceiling. And then we also did a cute little video on me just breaking my arm, putting all that mud in the seams. So I hope you're enjoying these. If you do have a comment on any of the process we're doing, please leave a comment. And as always, if you are enjoying these, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want a notification, and thanks for checking it out. We'll see you the next day.